So what do you think, guys? Not bad for something that fits in your pocket, costs less than 500 bucks, and weighs less than 250 grams, right? Not bad at all. No, honestly, I'm really loving this thing. I think it's a fantastic pickup for anybody really, especially if you're thinking about diving into the drone world. But what about extreme low light situations? What about night flying? Now that's not something that I typically do, but you gotta try it, right? You gotta see what this thing is capable of. And because of the sensor size, it does have some limitations, so do keep that in mind. The dynamic range on it is not phenomenal even in the day, so you're really gonna have to expose for the subject that you want. It's not gonna be perfect, but I strongly suggest you pick up a set of neutral density filters. That's totally gonna help your footage take it to the next level on day one. So that's something that I really recommend. So other than that, let's dive in and have a look at some of the really low light footage and tell me what you think. And definitely don't rule out the Mini 2 when it comes to photos. As a photo guy, I love taking photos with drones. It gives me a perspective that I could never have dreamed of just a few short years ago. I love it. So there you go, guys. There's my Mini 2 low light test and some awesome footage for you. I hope you like it, and if you did, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Join the community. And if you want to pick this thing up, I will drop affiliate links down in the description for you. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.